Isa ka ba sa naghahanap na affordable single attached na bahay for as low as 15 to 19,000 a month dito sa Cabuyao, Laguna? I'm Jasper Binalayo from JCRC Realty. Tara at samahan niyo ako for another house tour dito sa Sentera, Cabuyao Phase 2. Dito sa Sentera Subdivision ay meron kaming dalawang unit na ino-offer. Aster Model Unit at yung Kana Model Unit. But for this video, ang ipapakita ko po muna sa inyo ay yung Kana Single Attached. Tara, pasukin po natin. Kana model is a single attached unit with a lot area of 80 square meter and floor area of 55 square meter. And this is semi-finished turnover. And it has a living room, dining area, kitchen, toilet and bath, and carport na kasya yung SUV at pickup car. For ground floor is naka-tiles na po siya, and disclaimer lang, wala pang tiles sa video dahil ongoing construction pa yung model unit natin. For our second floor naman, this is provision for 3 bedrooms, naka-cement finish yung floor niya, meaning kayo na maglalagay ng gusto nyong design na tiles or vinyl. At good news, meron na rin itong abang for our balcony. But wait, there's more. For as low as 10,000 pesos reservation fee ay mapapasayo na itong bahay na ino-offer ko sa inyo. At available din ito sa Pag-ibig Financing and Bank Financing at nag-o-offer din ng flexible term para sa down payment. At ang kagandahan ng subdivision na ito ay meron tayong amenities tulad ng basketball court, clubhouse, at 24/7 security. Kaya panigurado, safe ang pamilya mo. Dito sa Sentera, Cabuyao Phase 2. O di ba? Napakaganda talaga ni Kana Model Unit. Bukod sa maganda na, di kalidad pa at sulit pa sa bulsa. Kaya paniguradong pasok ito sa budget mo. Again, my name is Jasper Binalayo from JCRC Realty. For more details, please message us now.